Let's talk about one of the more desirable areas in Walnut Creek. When people start shopping for homes, oftentimes they're told like, oh, you gotta go check out this neighborhood. You'll love it. And that neighborhood is called Saranap. Interesting point, Saranap not actually part of Walnut Creek. It's part of Contra Costa County, not the city. So people there pay just slightly less in property taxes, but they don't get the same services that the city might. It's all the same really. You have a Walnut Creek address. So what's so cool about Saranap? Well, for starters, it's ideally located. It's kind of right between downtown Walnut Creek and Lafayette. So you could be in Saranap and be in actually Lafayette schools or Walnut Creek schools, kind of depending on what side of the street you're on in some cases. And that's highly desirable. There's some people that would rather pay a little bit more to be in the Lafayette School District than Walnut Creek. My opinion is it's kind of all the same. Your kids are going to be smart or not smart, depending on other factors just based on the elementary school, but that's another conversation altogether. A lot of the homes in Saranap are original 1950s style ranchers, but they've been updated over time. So they've been added onto, they have been rehabbed, and the lots have grown up and out. A lot of really nice homes here, which you can't actually see from the roads because there's a lot of little cul-de-sacs, and it's a kind of rural, sort of charming neighborhood. A lot of streets don't have sidewalks because it's one of the more original neighborhoods in Walnut Creek, and it was built before kind of like a central master plan. And there's untapped potential in the Saranap area. Along Boulevard Way, which you may know if you like sandwiches because that's where Marucci's is, there is a string of retail developments which kind of haven't gotten off the ground in many years. So there's an opportunity for more housing, some more development, more retail, apartments, condos, you name it. If you live in Saranap or you want to live in Saranap, call us and we can set you up. Thanks for watching.